Good morning, and thanks for listening to the Industria REIT Results Snapshot. My name is Alex Abel, and I am Industria's Fund Manager. Industria REIT is a property trust which owns a high-quality portfolio of industrial and office assets around Australia. It has a modest level of debt and is focused on providing investors with a high, sustainable and growing level of income. Financial year 2017 produced a very strong set of numbers, including an $85 million increase in the value of the property portfolio, resulting from outperformance in asset management, which has produced sector-leading value growth of 23% and resulted in Industria's net tangible assets per security now standing at $2.57. Funds from operations, our cash earnings measure, was at the top of the guidance range and represented 3.4% growth on FY16. Over 24,000 square metres of leasing was completed, which has further de-risked our cash flow and the future dividend, and also contributed to maintaining our weighted average lease expiry of 7.6 years and occupancy at 95%. The balance sheet is in great shape, with gearing of 30.8%, the bottom of the target range of 30 to 40%, and that provides capacity to execute on future growth opportunities, which have the potential to increase Industria's earnings. The outcomes for the year have been delivered by our team being dedicated to executing individual asset management strategies for each asset, and on the whole, we've done that very well. Fundamental to our approach is focusing on our clients, that is tenants already in our portfolio and potential future tenants, first and foremost, understanding what they want, what the market wants, and how our real estate can remain relevant and valuable to them. As an example, at Brisbane Technology Park, we're installing 1 megawatt of solar capacity that will benefit our clients by reducing the volatility in energy charges and our security holders by providing a yield on cost in excess of 15% per year. This focus has been a key driver behind our valuation uplifts, where more than half the increase in value for BTP, roads and our Melbourne and Adelaide industrial properties, or more than $30 million, was driven by higher market rents. So whilst there certainly has been a re-rating of investor return expectations that has driven quality real estate valuations higher, especially in New South Wales and Victoria, where we have 75% of our portfolio, I'm most pleased that we've been outperforming the broader market through our value add initiatives. Acquiring assets is never easy, and over the period we looked at over $700 million of real estate. Westrack Newcastle was the only one of those opportunities which met our requirements, and after scrutinising the physical asset, the location and its proximity to infrastructure, future prospects to add value, and importantly, the underlying business that leases the property and pays the rent, which is clearly the key to preserving our investors' capital. We secured the property at an attractive price that reflected an initial yield of 7.25%, growing at 3% per annum for 18 years, with our most recent independent valuation reporting an uplift of $25 million. A rewarding outcome for our loyal security holders who supported us in acquiring this asset and demonstrating our ability to add value through asset selection and acquisition. Subject to continuation of current market conditions, our FFO guidance is 18.4 to 18.6 cents per security, consistent with the sustainable growth profile of 2 to 3% for Industria. Distributions per security are forecast at 16.5 cents per security, which is based on Industria's closing price on the 21st of August and provides a cash distribution yield of 6.7% per annum, with distributions being paid each quarter. Continued active management, which is consistent with our approach to driving portfolio performance, provides opportunities for us to outperform the guidance during the period to further enhance returns. If you would like additional information on the result or Industria generally, please feel free to give me a call. Our ASX code is IDR and we're part of the APN Property Group. More information is available at www.industriareit.com.au, where you will find my contact details. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to an opportunity to meet